Here's another hot Camaro we're offering for sale. 69 Camaro Pro Touring. It's got a brand new ZZ383 motor from GM, 425 horsepower. It's got a 4-speed transmission. It's got power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, a new air conditioning system. The car's awesome. It's got all the right ingredients. So we'll give you a quick tour and hang tight at the end. We're gonna fire this thing up. Sounds awesome. You'll notice the paint is just outstanding. It's got the tall cowl hood, no ugly vinyl top, spoilers, Z28 stripes, the louvers on the quarters. Guy spent $20,000 at the body shop. That included all the paint. It's got all new glass, all new weather stripping, all new chrome and trim. It's got billet marker lights, new lenses. The whole outside of the car is done. The paint is slick. You don't even feel the stripes on there. And those stripes are done to the correct Z28 dimensions. Again, all new glass, not just the windshield. The jambs are slick, bottom of the doors are clean, new sill plates. The wheels, they're Boyd Coddington wheels. Those are new too when he restored the car with performance tires. Said under the hood, this is not a rebuilt motor. This is right from GM. They come completely assembled. You just put it in your car. So it's got reliability, it's got the performance, it's got a serpentine belt system, got the new alternator, aluminum radiator to keep it cool. All new stuff. He put custom Procar sport seats, and he had the rear seat upholstered to match the front. It's got a console, some nice aftermarket gauges. We'll start it up here in just a minute. Got a CD changer. This is all painted real nice and slick. I got the car out of Oklahoma. Comes with a lot of literature, a lot of the receipts. It's got a retro stereo. It has the electronic controls for the air conditioning system. He has a Garmin plugged into the ashtray for navigation and GPS speedometer. Everything works in the car. Got an electric fan, new power steering pump. The front end was rebuilt, new springs front and back, new shocks. New brake booster, master. There you have it. Go to volocars.com, get all the information. We got 100+ pictures from top to bottom, inside and out. If you like it, give us a call and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put new cars on there all the time.